Our goal is to connect children ages birth to 6 to healthy, local, delicious food, and we do that through cooking and gardening experiences and local food sourcing to childcare centers for their meals and snacks. This past summer, we had Farm to Early Care and Education supply chain interns, and we placed 4 of these interns at different community partner sites, so 4 different counties, and these interns were pivotal in helping us connect those local food sources to the child care centers.
The best part of the internship would absolutely be visiting the child care centers and seeing kids picking their own vegetables, recognizing plants and flowers.
Local food in childcare centers is really important because then you help educate kids early on about the significance of local food and what the farmers do in the area.
It gives them such a great connection between food and not just seeing it in the grocery store, but actually like being able to see like, hey, people work hard for this and we should appreciate that we have this on our plate.
The other side of this program was to connect them to the local farms. I really appreciated that about the internship, that it was supply chain focused, but that we also got to do farm tours. And so it gave me a really diverse idea of what the local food system was and the food system within North Carolina beyond the county that I was working in.
This internship has provided so much really important experience for me in terms of building relationships with community members, as well as expose me to some really cool fields like cooperative extension, which I was not too informed about.
I'm doing a master's program in food systems and society, so this internship really provided a lens of how to create equitable food systems, especially for children within child care centers and homes. And so I think it gave me a practical experience to something I was learning in the classroom.
The supervisors and the people who were guiding us along the process, they really believed in our potential to make positive change through our short time here. And that was really meaningful to me, and I think the other interns as well.
If you're interested in like food studies or like the food system in general, I would 100% recommend this internship.
I love what I do, I love where I'm at, and I love the people that I've been able to meet through this program. I would recommend it highly.